Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds from Trust Wallet to GCash. First, you'll need to move your cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to a centralized exchange that supports peer-to-peer trading. This initial step is crucial for converting your digital assets into Philippine pesos, which can then be sent directly to your GCash account. We will cover each part of this process in detail. To begin, transfer your desired cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to a reputable centralized exchange. It's often best to convert your crypto into a stablecoin, such as USD or USC, before initiating the transfer. This minimizes price volatility. Next, ensure your account on the chosen exchange is fully verified, as this is a standard requirement for peer-to-peer transactions and enhances security for both parties. On the peer-to-peer platform, find a buyer who accepts GCash as their payment method. Carefully review their ratings and transaction history. Once you've selected a suitable buyer, initiate the trade, specifying the exact amount of stablecoin you wish to sell. The platform will hold your crypto in escrow. Wait for the buyer to send the agreed-upon Philippine pesos to your GCash account. After receiving notification, immediately open your GCash app to confirm the funds have arrived. Do not rely solely on screenshots from the buyer. Once you have verified the correct amount in your GCash balance, return to the peer-to-peer platform and release the cryptocurrency from escrow. This completes the transaction. Always prioritize security by confirming payment directly in your GCash account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.